Yo, what's up guys? Okay, cool. So it is, lighting's good here. Yo, what's up guys? Okay, it is now 10:10. We kind of just woke up, showered, and yeah, we kind of overslept. I think we missed breakfast, so that's not gonna happen. We're gonna be heading to Sule Square just to go buy some things and maybe get some food, of course. Because we're pretty hungry and want to see more food. Lovely room we got going here, but then again, it is a backpacker, so you can't ask for much. There's Jane with a beautiful hat. Say something there.
Hi guys, good morning, สวัสดีค่ะ
Alright, so we're gonna head out soon. We're gonna go to the mall. So we'll see you guys there. If it's too loud, I'll use my microphone. If not, I'll just do it like this. Alright, cool guys. See you there. So we just bought some dessert kind of thing and some coconut. Jane's gonna post it now, so I can show you. This one here is a coconut kind of thing. It's they eat it in the morning.
Coconut.
Inside's coconut, right? And hold on a second, I want to show you the other one. This one's what?
Like
and you got this one over here.
it's kind of Thai dessert.
It's kind of like a Thai dessert. In Thai it's called sagu, made from flour, right? And it's, hold on, all right. So it's basically what it tastes like. Also, it's the inside of a coconut. Quite nice, quite sweet actually. It's almost like a watermelon mixed with a coconut. It's quite nice actually. Hold up.
But this one is the dessert.
This is dessert, so
But
apparently.
it's not that sweet. You need to eat together.
Okay, come. Actually, it's pretty good. Yeah. That's super nice. It's quite sweet, actually. Sweeter than this one. This is more like fruity. That one's made from flour, so it's more like cakey.
You eat those one mixed with the coconut one, maybe better.
Mixed in? For real? Alright, make sure I mix it. Make sure.
This one first, then
Alright.
later on. Hello.
No. The two textures are not good together. Keep what they've got in the packet and just eat that. That's much better. Otherwise, it might taste a bit funny. Alright, let's get on to the next food. Let's see what we got. Okay, what's up guys? So the next dessert that we got, it kind of looks like spring onions. This one going in. No, that's not spring onion. That's just dough.
Could eat with milk in the morning.
So look at this lady's outfit. Alright, they say it's dessert. Well, there's this onion ring over here. That was an onion ring. We didn't know, so hold on. She's just untying it real quick. Looks like this. Looks like pizza bread, but it's really not. Not a dessert.
It's food.
It's food.
Inside is a green bean.
Oh really? I'm getting my greens in also. That's brilliant. Well, that actually was super good. I'm gonna eat more now, so I'll see you guys at the next food stop, right? Square. Silay Square. And I always have this little voice in my head saying speak louder. And it's like normal stuff, so I tend to speak louder. So we are gonna head probably to a food market to get some more proper food. Not saying Amazon's like proper food, but we're gonna find some, you know, traditional food, which is our plan. So yeah, we're probably gonna head out there. But Jane is a bit tired, right?
Yeah, it's hot because of...
She's getting hot because she wore that. You know? Alright, see you guys soon at probably the food market. Jane has decided we want to go eat Shan Noodle. It's apparently very famous. I saw on the internet, it looks pretty famous.
Can walk, not that far.
And apparently you can walk, but it's not that far. So yeah, we're gonna head out. My hair looks beautiful today. I left my wax in Thailand. Yeah, so we're gonna head out to get some Shan Noodle. So we're gonna find a place. Jane's on it right now. Oh, it looks like we can walk there, she just said so. Yep, let's get walking. Okay, I'm gonna speak quite loud. So, just tried the Shan Noodle. Pretty good one. It's sticky noodle. Mine is sticky noodle, Jane's not. It's pretty good. Quite nice. I recommend you try it if you ever come to Myanmar. Why? Why is that?
It's not It's hot. Salt nice, like sweet. ขนาดก๋วยเตี๋ยวน้ำมันยังเยอะ
Get something in your eye? Alright. It's my turn. It's hot.
Show you is hot.
Cool down. Really hot.
2 hours later.
I'm having it.
Hot, hot, hot.
That's spicy.
Not spicy.
I'm sweating. It's hot.
Jim, Jim.
Okay, so we're done with eating the Shan Noodle. And it was good. The price that it turned out to be was 5,900 Jat. So that means it's about 120 baht, which means it's about, in South African, 60 rand for 2 meal plus spring rolls plus tea plus water. I mean, that's decent meal. So yeah, alright, we're gonna head back to the place now and I'm gonna edit some videos. Alright,
I'm gonna sleep.
she's gonna sleep. Guys, okay, so we're back at the hotel now, or hostel, as Jane likes to call it. We bought some beers. We got some local Myanmar beer. And of course I got the Tiger because I like Tiger. So good. We haven't got a table to put this on at all, so we're just gonna kind of sit on the bed and have a taste. So here it is. This is what it looks like. Boom. And of course it just says Myanmar on it. You want to see a party trick?
This can use these ones.
She's gonna use a toothbrush to open this. So let's see how this goes. If it doesn't work, I'll show you guys a party trick.
Because like it's not like the chopstick.
Yeah.
Chopstick
Doesn't get under. Okay, let me. Don't try this at home. C'est la vie.
Because Chang is a Thai brand.
It tastes like chang. You want to taste?
Because it's a Myanmar beer. It's like a Chang is Thai.
Jane's gonna give it a go. Whoa, look at it. Chug.
It's same like Chang, but more soda water. Like more
hops.
Yeah, like
Say hops.
hops.
I think that's what it's called. More hops. Can I have some?
Yeah.
I'm thirsty. I did a lot of walking through.
You should say this.
I should probably get water. We got some other beers here. We'll also try this one. We got it. Why? Because it was cheap. All right. So this one is a Regal 7.
Oh really? I thought
Okay, the camera's quite heavy on my shoulder. Oh, wow. We're not going to drink it now because I just open up one and then we have
how much is this?
got no fridge. So we're going to give it prices. So the first one, we got Jane calculating the back there. Hold on. Ooh, while she calculates, I'll have another sip. Why don't I? Thank you. 2,100 for Myanmar beer, but that's Jat. All right, she's going to convert.
For
In Thai, 44 baht. Okay, in South African, 22 rand.
cheap.
I haven't been back in a while, so I'm not too sure. I would say you guys tell me in the comments below because I can't remember the prices of beer back in South Africa, but I don't know. It's good and it's big.
1,400 is roughly 29.
So that's the Myanmar beer. I may stop drinking that. Oh, this one's nice and cold. It's super good and cold. Regal 7 values at a price is going for what price is this?
1,400.
1,400 Jat, which is
29 baht.
29 baht. Okay, and in South African, 15 rand for this bad boy. Wow, I can't drink them all and just taste them all. I'm gonna be drunk. So, yeah, I'll get to taste this pretty soon. I just hope it's cold when I taste it because it'll be pretty good then. But remember, it's only 15 rand or AKA 29 baht, which is super cheap. Okay.
So gross.
And then the famous old tiger over here. You know, can I have price please?
Tiger.
Price. 1,200, AKA
In
1,200 Jat. Gassy that one. And Myanmar beer.
it's around
25 baht.
12 rand.
So like 12 rand for this bad boy. Like I said, I can't remember, but let me know in the comments below if that is cheap or not. If you would buy it. But yeah, this one's my favorite from Thailand. It's good, does the trick. It's kind of sweet compared to the castle. So yeah, and definitely doesn't compare to Black Label. Alright guys, well, as you can see I'm sweating a lot. I want to get to editing this whole thing. We are back at the hostel right now and yeah, Jane looks like she's gonna sleep any minute. Her hat is off. It's time to sleep. Thanks guys for watching. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Say goodbye.
เจอกันคลิปหน้านะคะ
สวัสดีครับ